You can do so much more with your phone if you just put your mind to it. What's up everybody, this is Scott. Welcome back to another video. In today's video, I want to issue all of you out there watching it a challenge, and it will be worth it. You could win something at the very end. But let's talk about how this whole thing got started. Been a big fan of his stuff in the past, but Juan Bagnell, or some gadget guy that you know him online, issued this challenge out to some of his folks that were on his YouTube channel just recently.
Let's really use it. Your challenge, if you choose to accept it. Record an audio podcast or an interview about life over the last year.
Now, I, of course, love the idea of doing more with the phones that you have, especially the mid-tier price point. So I made the following when I did my 6-month review of the 4A 5G.
When my belly starts a-rumblin', and I'm jonesing for a treat, I close my eyes for a big surprise, the tender crisp bacon cheddar ranch.
So as you can see, I did a very light recording of the tender crisp bacon cheddar ranch from Burger King with Darius Rucker as the guitarist, with a little bit of weird voiceover, just to show you that you can do all of that using just a very much mid-tier phone. But I wanted to take it up a notch, so I've been talking to Juan. Going back and forth in the Twitter DMs, I came up with this idea, and Juan loved the idea, so I'm going to issue challenge number 2. So challenge number 2, the first one was podcasts. This next one is making a 10 to 15 second introductory video using only your phone. Now you might be asking yourself, Scott, I totally can't do that. I need to have like the best M1 MacBook ever and like all of the cool things to edit the videos. Ha ha ha. You don't actually need those things. Depending on which ecosystem that you're in, you have a ton of options. Now, if you're in the iOS ecosystem, you could obviously use iMovie, you could use LumaFusion, you could use Adobe Rush. There's tons of different choices to choose from. In Android, you might be like, I don't really have a good choice, but you could use KineMaster, Adobe Rush, PowerDirector, or a few others that are out there, but those are 3 that I specifically mentioned. Now, I want to show you something that I made, filmed entirely on a Pixel 5, edited on a Pixel 5, rendered on a Pixel 5, and uploaded completely in 4K, which was what this video should be as well, so you can see something that I just made using only my phone. Now, I've never used Adobe Rush. I am a Final Cut guy. This video is edited on Final Cut. I knew nothing about using Adobe Rush before I opened up my Pixel 5 and did it. Toying around for probably 30 minutes, I could figure out exactly what I wanted to do. It is not impossible. And the best part about all of that is, it is right something smack dab in the middle of you using on iOS or your Android device. So I say all of this, I am putting a challenge out there. The challenge is this, to create a 10 to 15 second video intro for your YouTube, your Twitter, your Instagram, whatever, 10 to 15 seconds using only your phone as the thing that you're recording on and editing on and rendering on and uploading on. And then when you upload that, you need to find me on Twitter. And here is my Twitter information on the bottom of the screen. And you're gonna tag me in exactly what that thing is. I'm gonna give you about 10 days from this date to get something out there. Tag me and Juan, and we're going to watch all of them and then pick the winner. Now, standard rules apply. I will leave all of the rules in the description below, and I'm also going to tell you the thing that you win. The thing that you win is a $75 gift card to Amazon. Now, I could have come up with something like, like something like a microphone or something like a camera. I don't have that kind of cash, so I'm going to give you a $75 gift card to Amazon so you can choose whatever you want from the entire Amazon ecosystem. So, okay, you got 10 days from the day that this video drops, and I will leave the date that all of this is due somewhere in this description. So again, check out the description rules below, leave all of the things on my Twitter and tag Juan, which I will leave this as well on the screen so you can see exactly how you enter in this context. Wow me. Let's see what you got. Winner will get $75 to Amazon. So that's it. That's all I have. Thanks for watching. And as always, like, share, subscribe, thumbs up. Leave a comment below. We'll see you next time.